Once you start capturing the contextual information and knowledge of the workforce at events such as shift handover, you are encoding what the business process is on your shop floor. And once you have that information, there's the ability to look at it, to change, to improve, to measure and adjust. But you can also use that information to help train. So as new workforce comes on board, you can help them understand the process and what they should expect to capture and what they should be expecting to see. So you start to have an overall improvement in the entire process because you're making things smoother. Now, this form of software is designed to work with the people, but it can also be part of a wider industrial IoT integration. If you happen to be deploying IoT and you are putting sensors on your machinery and you're gathering data, then being able to gather the information from your shop floor as well is going to be even more beneficial. But it's not essential to have an industrial IoT implementation in place in order to do PPM.